Hello students, welcome to the online classes of STBN. I am Madhu Makkar, your English subject teacher. In this class, we are going to take a lesson from our book Seasons, Semester 1. Lesson 1, The Naughty Dog. Let's read this story. There lived an old man who had no one other than a pet dog as his friend. The dog's name was Caesar. These lines mean in this story the old man lived alone. He did not have any daughters or sons who lived with him or any other family member. He lived with his dog who was his pet as well his friend. Now let's read further. The old man was well disciplined and strict about his ways. He followed a routine for his day's activity. Here, well disciplined and strict means that he had a time for everything like waking up, going to sleep, eating, bathing, etc. Everything he did on time according to his schedule. Now let's read further. Every morning he took his dog Caesar for a walk. On his way back, he stopped at a coffee shop to have a cup of coffee and got Caesar a bun. The man bought a newspaper at the newsstand and Caesar took it home, holding it between his teeth. Now, these lines mean another part of his routine was that on his morning walk, he always stopped at a shop to drink some coffee. At the shop, he also got Caesar a bread bun, which Caesar ate delightfully. The old man also purchased a newspaper there, which Caesar used to bring back holding in its teeth. Let's read further. One day the old man fell ill and could not move out from his bed. As he missed his newspaper, he made his dog fetch it for him. He gave Caesar a 2 rupee coin to buy the newspaper from the newsstand. The dog brought back a newspaper every day. The old man was happy that he could get the newspaper every day. The dog continued this for many days. These lines mean now the old man fell sick. He was unable to go to the coffee shop. He was also not able to buy the newspaper. He started missing reading the newspaper. So what he would do? He would give his dog a 2 rupees coin. With that money, the dog Caesar would go and buy the newspaper from the same place where the old man used to buy it from. And then Caesar would bring the newspaper to the old man. All of this made the old man happy because even when he was ill, he was still able to follow his daily routine. Now, let's read further. Meanwhile, the coffee shop owner was very happy about the dog. He would say, "That is my best customer. He pays regularly and never bothers me with idle chat." Now, these lines mean the coffee shop owner was also very happy with the system. He considered the dog his best customer. Why? He considered the dog his best customer because Caesar paid on time, never borrowed money from the owner, and also he never used to waste the shop owner's time with useless chat. Now let's read further. When winter set in, the old man's condition became worse. To stay in bed, the dog, like a faithful animal or servant, helped his master He went out and came back with the newspaper every morning. Now, these lines mean now when winter came, the old man became more ill. His health condition worsened, but he was happy because his dog was still helping him out like before by going out and buying the newspaper. Now, let's read further. After he had completely recovered from his illness, the old man went to the newsstand with his dog. He was surprised to hear that he owed 80 rupees to the shopkeeper. Shocked to hear that, he decided to find out what had happened to all the money he had sent through the dog. These lines mean when the old man became healthy again, he was able to go back to the shop and newspaper stand. Now when he reached there, he found out that he owed 80 rupees to the shop for newspapers. He was shocked as every day while he was ill, he used to give money to the dog for the newspaper. Now let's read last paragraph. The next day, he gave the dog a 2 rupee coin and his dog rushed out. The old man secretly followed the dog. Caesar went straight to the coffee shop and put the money on the counter. The waiter gave him a bun. He ate the bun and then went to the newsstand to get the newspaper. Naughty dog, said the old man. He realized his mistake. From then on, he gave the dog 2 rupee coin, one for the bun and the other for the newspaper. Now these lines mean now to understand where the money went, which he used to give to the dog. So the next day, he pretended to be ill. So again, he gave the dog 2 rupees to get him the newspaper. As soon as the dog left, the old man started following the dog to see where the dog spent money. He found out that instead of buying the newspaper, Caesar bought himself his favorite bread bun every day. He then realized his mistake. What was his mistake? That his routine included not only buying the newspaper, but also buying his dog's Caesar a bread bun. But he forgot about it and used to give money to his dog only for the newspaper. So after realizing his mistake, he started giving his 2 rupees coin, one for the newspaper and other for the dog's favorite bread bun. Now that we have read and understood the lesson, let's take some hard words with meanings. Number 1, routine means action regularly followed. Number 2, customer. Customer means a person who buys things. Number 3, recovered. What does recover mean? Recover means to get well after an illness. So, recovered means got well after illness. Realized. What does realize? Realize mean? Realized mean to understand something. So, what is the meaning of realized? Understood.